All right, folks, I've had the Sonos system for quite a while now, and I'll make another video because I picked up a while ago some ERA 300 speakers, so we'll give you kind of more of a surround sound updated video, but I wanted to get this out if you are on the fence about the Sonos system. So this is the Samsung Frame TV. It's a 75-inch TV connected to the Sonos Arc, and then we also have the Gen 3 subwoofer right here. I actually got this on a really killer Black Friday deal from Costco, and it was an absolutely fantastic deal, and have had this system for over a year now. Now again, this is just 5.1, but with the ERA 300 speakers, then you're at 7.1. So we're going to show you a couple connection tips in just a second here, as well as a little test footage, but unfortunately due to copyright, you can't really play too much. But just with the Arc and the subwoofer, and forgive me, I am in a remodel. You're going to see some footage that's even worse than this, but I don't have my floor in quite yet. Just with the Arc and subwoofer, it sounds absolutely incredible. My pup sits next to me right here, but it absolutely blows the doors off, especially during an action movie. I actually have to toggle the volume down because it actually scares my pup as she's right next to me right here. So again, if you're thinking about just starting, I would definitely start with the soundbar and subwoofer. Or if you are under budget, then go with the soundbar first, add the subwoofer, and then eventually add in some ERA 300s or ERA 100 speakers for complete surround sound. But just these two components alone, big thumbs up in my book, and I can't wait to give you an updated video with my connected ERA 300 speakers. But overall, I love this system, worth every penny. Now let's give you a little connection tip and a little bit of footage. Okay, and just a little heads up for you here with the adapter. So according to the directions, if your television does not have an ARC port or an eARC port, which is going to be an HDMI port on your television, and you have to use this, it will work, but you won't have Dolby Atmos, as it states right here in the directions right here. So I'm using my provided HDMI cable, and again, totally forgive the remodel. I got sheetrock mud as my entertainment stand, I know. So coming behind my box to my Samsung Frame TV, because it's so thin, it needs a external box that I'm gonna route down through some cable management through the wall so I can hang it like a picture frame, obviously the way it's meant to be. So on the back of mine, if you see it right there, it says number 3 eARC, or yours will have ARC, it might have eARC. So we have Dolby Atmos, we're looking absolutely fantastic. And again, I'm just running that HDMI cable, which came with the Sonos, into the back of it. And by the way, this light was white and now it is green on the front here. And I don't know, it seems like a diffuser on the very bottom there. And then power plug, etc. in the back. Oh, it stinks!
Within the next few.
Nothing we do here matters.
That's where you're wrong.
I'm just watching a trailer, and obviously because it's so thin, the speakers on the Samsung Frame TV aren't that good, but wowzers, even just the Arc and the sub doing 5.0 audio, very, very nice. And I used my phone to set up my account. Just took a few minutes to go ahead and set everything up, pair it, and definitely nice. So looking forward to putting this more dialed in, obviously in a very, just a better looking setting than a derelict living room, but I hope you guys get the idea. By the way, I've never seen any other dog besides the Labradoodles that love to sit in front of the television and watch TV. It's so cute.
I'm not gonna hide. I'm gonna fight.
It's not even loaded.
Yeah, well, it's not loaded. It's a pressurized cabin. Why would I load it in the cabin?
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully it has given you an informed decision. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind. Also subscribe. And if you are on the fence or haven't purchased it yet, you'll find some shoppable links right below this video, right over here. And you can click on that and purchase on away. But don't go into debt to get your system. Make sure you have cash. It feels a lot better when you pay cash for something. You guys have a great day. Take care.